Hi, good morning students. Welcome to Maths Online class. So in previous class we discussed what is optimization problem, what is LPP, and how to mathematically formulated optimization problem, and also graphical representation of graphical representation of a linear programming problem. So in this class we discussed about problems on linear programming problem. So here solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Here the first question. Maximize z is equals to 3x plus 4y subjected to the constraint x plus y which is less than or equals to 4, x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0. See, we have to maximize the objective function. By using subjected to the constraint, these constraints. Okay, we have to maximize this value. By graphically we know that. So what is the points we discussed in the graphical method? So graphically, first plot the graph. Here, this inequation we can written in the form of equation. So first step is x plus y is equals to 4. Okay. Here x is equals to 0, y 4, and y is equals to 0, x 4. This is the point. Now graph x axis and y axis. Okay, when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. This is the 0, 4. This is 0, 4 point, and y is equals to 0, x is equals to 4. This is 4, 0. Okay. This is the equation of the line. X plus y is equals to 4. Now, here, so how to find out feasible region for this? The feasible region when x plus y, which is less than or equals to 4, put 0 on x and y, we get 0 is less than or equals to 4. It is true. So true means the shaded region is come towards origin side. This is the origin. Okay, this is the origin side. This is the called feasible region. Okay. Now the point to maximize this value. So the points, the vertex points and corresponding value of z. Okay, here vertex point is, this is the A and B, here C. Okay, the vertex point is A of 0, 0 and B of 4, 0 and C of 0, 4. Okay, so we put z value 3x plus 4y. For this, we substitute x and y here. Okay, we get 0, and for this, so 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0, that is equals to 12. Next here, so 0 into 3 into 0 plus 4 into 4, that is equals to 16. Okay, here the maximum value is 16. Here the maximum value is 16. Therefore, Z is maximum. Z is maximum at the point is C of 0, 4 is 16. This is the maximum value of Z. This is the maximum value of Z. This is the first problem, very simple problem. Okay, first this inequation into equation and plot the graph. Find out the feasible region. Okay, and find out the feasible region and find the corner points. Find the corner points and substitute into the objective function. Now the second problem. Minimize Z is equals to 200x plus 500y subjected to constraint x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10, 3x plus 4y less than or equals to 24, x greater than or equals to 0, y greater than or equals to 0. Okay, now this equation, so we have to minimize here. In last problem, the maximization of a problem, here minimize Z is equals to 200x plus 500y subjected to the constraint x plus 2y is greater than or equals to 10 and 3x plus 4y is less than or equals to 24. Okay, and x greater than or equals to 0 and y greater than or equals to 0. Now, so what is the method? First, this inequation into equation. So plot the graph. X plus 2y which is equals to 10. Here x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. Y value is 5 and y is equals to 0. X value is 10. X value is 10. For the second equation, 3x plus 4y which is equals to 24. Okay, x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 6 and y is equals to 0, x value 8. This is non-negative constraint. This is non-negative constraint. X greater than or equals to 0, y greater than or equals to 0. Okay, now plot the graph. Okay, see, for first equation, x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 5. This is 0, 5. Now y is equals to 0, x is equals to 10. This is 10, 0. 10 comma 0. Okay, this is the first line. This is the equation of the line. X plus 2y is equal to 10. Now second line, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. This is 0 comma 6. And x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. This is 8 comma 0. 8 comma 0. This is the line. This is the line. So this is the equation of the line. That is 3x plus 4y is equals to 24. Okay. See, next step is, so to find out the feasible region. To find the feasible region. Okay. For this equation, see, for this equation, x plus 2y is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, we put 0 on these two variables. Okay, it is false. The first equation, x plus 2y is false. So false means above the origin. False means above the origin. This is below the origin, above the origin. Above the origin. Okay, now for second inequality, this is, we put 0 here. Okay, we get true. The second equation is true. True means, so towards the origin. True means towards the origin. Now the common region, so common region is, this is the common region. This is the common region. This is the common region. Okay, this is the common region. This is the common region. Now, so we know the points. A is equals to 0 comma 6 and B is equals to 0 comma 5 and C point we don't know. C point we don't know. By solving these two equations, we get the intersection of a point. Solving these two equations, we get the intersection of a point. So solve x plus 2y is equals to 10 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 24. 3x plus 4y is equals to 24. Multiply 3 on the equation 1, multiply 3, we get 3x, 6y, 30. Okay? Now subtract 2y is equals to 6. 2y is equals to 6, y is equals to 3. 2y is equals to 6, y is equals to 3. Now, y value you know, so under x value, substitute in the equation 1. Substitute in the equation 1, we get x plus 2y is equals to 10. Therefore, x plus 2 into 3 is equals to 10. X is equals to 10 minus 6, that is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3. X is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3. So this is the intersection of a point by solving these two equations. Okay. Now finally, we write. We know the corner points. That is a is equals to 0, 6 and b is equals to 0, 5 and c is equals to 4, 3. We substituted in the objective function, that is z is equals to 200x plus 500 into y. Okay. Write here. This is so corner points and corresponding values of z. Okay, corner points are a of 0,6 and b of 0,5 and c of 4,3. Corresponding value of z, that is z is equals to 200x plus 500y. For this equation, for this points, okay, for this point, so 200 into 0, 200, 500 into 6, 500 into 6, okay, 500 into 6 means 3000, 5 6 are 30, 3000. Now, for this point, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 5, okay, 200 into 0, 0 and 5 into 5, 25, 2500. For this equation, 200 into x, that is 200 into 4 plus 500 into 3. 2 4s are 8. 800 plus 1500. 800 plus 1500, how much? 2300. Okay, this is the minimum value. This is the minimum value, 2300. 2300 is the minimum value at the point 4, 3. At the point 4, 3. Therefore, conclusion, z is minimum. Z is minimum at the point. Z is minimum at the point 4, 3 is 2300. 2300. So, students, whenever these two equations is given, okay, this we have to find out this intersection of a line. By solving these two equations, we get the points. Okay, and finally the corner points, a of 0,6 is 3000 and b of 0,5 2500 and c of 4,3 2300. This is the minimum value of z. Okay, next problem. So next problem. This is the 6 marks questions. 6 mark question. So next problem. Minimize z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y subjected to constraint x plus 2y which is less than or equals to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 12, where x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0. Y is greater than or equals to 0. Now, to find out the minimum value here, to find out the minimum value of a z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y and subjected to the constraint x plus 2y is less than or equals to 8 3x plus 2y which is less than or equals to 12, and x is greater than or equals to 0, y is greater than or equals to 0. This is non-negative constraint. Okay, plotting graph. The first equation, x plus 2y is equals to 8, x is equals to 0. So y value is 4. Y value is 4 and y is equals to 0. X value is 8. This is the equation number 1. And second equation, 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Okay. So when x is equals to 0, so y is equals to 6. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 6, and y is equals to 0, x value is 4. Okay, x value is 4. Now plot the graph. Plot the graph. Okay, so this is the origin. When x is equals to 0, for first equation, x is equals to 0, y value is 4. This is 0 comma 4, and x is equals to 8, y is equals to 0, 8 comma 0, 8 comma 0. Okay, this is a line. You already did in linear equation in first year. Okay, for the second equation, this is the equation of a line, x plus 2y is equals to 8. Second line, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 6. This is 0 comma 6 and 4 comma 0. 0 comma 6 and 4 comma 0. Now this is the equation of a line, 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Now next we have to find out feasible region. So for this feasible region, for this equation, x plus 2y less than or equals to 0, 0 is less than or equals to 8 is true. So true means for first equation, true means the shaded part is below the towards origin side. Okay, which is true means towards the origin side. And for second equation, we put 0 and 0 here. So which is also a true. Therefore, the second equation also towards the origin. This is second equation also towards the origin. So what is the common region here? The common region. This is the two intersection of a points. This is two intersection of a line. Okay, the common region is feasible region. Now we have to find the intersection of these 2 points. Intersection of these two lines. We have to find out. Okay, solving these two equation. That is x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Okay, x plus 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. By solving, this is 1 and 2 like that, x plus 2y is equals to 8. Okay, on subtracting these two, we get 2x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2. 2x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2. Next, substitute in the equation. So x is 2. 2 plus 2y is equals to 8. 2y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 3. the intersection of the two lines of a point is 2, 3. 2, 3. On solving these two equations, we get 2, 3. Now finally, so objective function. Okay, we have to minimize the objective function. So what is the corner point here? Corner points and corresponding value of z. Corresponding value of z. Here the corner point A. This is origin A of 0, 0 and B 4, 0 and C 2, 3 and D 0, 4. Okay. For this origin 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. Next, for this B 4, 0 and C 2, 3 and D 0, 4. Okay. For the 0, 0, z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y. Here 0, we put 0 on x and y. So this means 0. The point A is 0. And for the second equation, for the second point, okay, z is equals to, for the second point, z is equals to minus 3, 4 plus 4, 0. That is equals to minus 12. The second point is minus 12. And third point, z is equals to minus 3, 2. Okay, minus 3, 2 plus 4 into 3. That is equals to minus 6 plus 12. That is equals to minus 6 plus 12. That is equals to 6. Here 6. And finally, that is equals to minus 3, 0 plus 4, 4. That is equals to 16. Okay, so we want to minimize the function. We have to minimize the linear function. Z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y. Okay, so minus 3x plus 4y. Here the minimum value is minus 12. Here the minimum value is minus 12. Therefore z is minimum. Therefore z is minimum at the point B 4, 0 is minus 12. So here maximize or minimize questions are asking in every examination. Okay, not all. Next question. So maximize. Now maximize question. Maximize z is equals to 3x plus 2y. Z is equals to 3x plus 2y subjected to the constraint subjected to the constraint, subjected to the constraint x plus 2y less than or equals to 10, 3x plus y less than or equals to 15, x greater than or equals to 0, and y greater than or equals to 0. We have to maximize the linear function. Now same procedure. Okay, same procedure. First take the points x plus 2y is equals to 10. This is equation number 1. Okay, when x is equals to 0, y x is equals to 0, y value is 5, and y is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, x value is 10, x value is 10. I think this problem I already did. Okay. No. Okay, this is a different problem. Next, 3x plus y, which is less than or equals to 15. That is 3x plus y. Okay, is equals to 15. Now, xy. So x is equals to 0, y is equals to 15, and y is equals to 0. So x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5. Now plot the graph. Plot the graph. Okay. So when for first equation, when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 5. So that is 0, 5. And second, 10, 0. 10, 0. This is the first equation of the line. Approximately 10, 0. This is the first equation of the line. That is x plus 2y is equals to 10. And second equation, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 15, y is equals to 15, that is 0, 15, and 0, 5, 5, 0. This is the line. Second line. Okay. 3x plus y is equals to 15. Now to find out feasible region. Now to find out the feasible region. See our first equation, which is true. Okay, the first equation which is true, it is come towards origin. It's come towards origin. This is first equation of harmony. Okay, it's come towards origin. Okay, come towards origin. Next, for the second equation, which is also come towards origin. Okay, the common region for here. Okay, by solving these two equations, we get the answer. So that is 3x, that is x plus 2y is equals to 10, and 3x plus y is equals to 15. Okay. Now multiply the equation 1 by 3. We get 3x, here 6, here 3, 30. On subtracting, we get 5y is equals to 15 and y is equals to 3. 5y is equals to 15 and y is equals to 3. Next, for x is equals to second equation, we x plus 2y is equals to 10. Therefore x plus 2y. So 2 into y3, that is equals to 10. X is equals to 4. Therefore 4 comma 3. The point is 4 comma 3. Next, the point is 4 comma 3. Corresponding value of z. Corresponding value of corner of the vertex point, corner points, and corresponding value of z. Okay, so that is point A 0, 0, and point B 5, 0, and point C 4, 3, and point D 0, 5. Okay, the corresponding value of z, that is 3x, z is equals to 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y. For first equation, first point here 0, and second point z is equals to 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0, that is 15. Okay, 3 5s are 15. And for C point, z is equals to 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3, that is equals to 12. 12 plus 6, 12 plus 6 18. 12 plus 6 18. Next, fourth point, so z is equals to 3 into 0 plus 2 into 5, that is equals to 10. Here the maximum value, here the maximum value is 18. So therefore z is maximum. Finally, z is maximum at the point 4, 3 is 18. First we have to find the feasible region. Okay, first we have to find feasible region. After this, so we substitute in the objective function, we get the maximum value. Next question. Next question. So maximize. Here also maximum value. So maximize z is equals to 4x plus y subjected to the constraint, x plus y which is less than or equal to 50, and 3x plus y less than or equals to 90, x is greater than or equals to 0, y is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, by solving this inequality, okay, so we have to maximize the function, we have to maximize the objective function, z is equals to 4x plus y. So same thing, x plus y is equals to 50. Okay, xy, x is equals to 0, y 50 and y is equals to 0x 50. For second equation, 3x plus y is equals to 90. Okay, now x is equals to y is equals to 90 and y is equals to 0, x is equals to 30. X is equals to 30. Okay na? X is equals to 30. Now plot the graph. Plot the graph. Plot the graph. Now here x is equals to 0, y is equals to 50. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 50. Suppose x is equals to 0, y is equals to 50 here. So that is 0 comma 50. 0 comma 50. And here, so y is equals to 0, x is equals to 50. 50 comma 0. This is the line. So this line, this straight line. Okay, this is the equation of the line. X plus y is equals to 50. Now the second equation. So second line, 3x plus y. Okay, when x is equals to 0, y value is 90, 0 comma 90 and 0 comma 30. Sorry, 30 comma 0. This is the another one equation. Okay, this is the equation of a line. 3x plus y is equals to 90. Okay, so what is the feasible region here? So feasible region for the equation 1, see, x plus y is less than or equals to 50. Okay, we put x and y is equals to 0. We get 0 is less than 50. 0 is less than 50 means it is true statement. So true statement, the solution region or the shaded region come towards origin. For the equation 1, the shaded region is come towards origin side. Okay. Now for the second equation, which is also true, 0 plus 0, which is less than or equals to 90, which is also true. Therefore, the second equation is come towards origin side. Finally, the feasible region. This is what vertex of the corner point. Finally, feasible region, that is common region. This is the common region. Okay. Finally, the feasible region is this is the feasible region. Now we have to find out the intersection of the two lines. Intersection of the two lines by solving these two equations. 3x plus y is equals to 90 and x plus y is equals to 50. Okay, on subtracting, okay, we get 2x is equals to 40 and x is equals to 20. For x is equals to 20, 20 plus y is equals to 50. So y is equals to 30. The intersection of these two lines, 20 comma 30. So finally we substituted in the objective function. we get the maximum value. So y is equals to 30. Okay, now so corner points, now the corner points and corresponding values of z, that is equals to 4x plus y. Okay, the corner points a is equals to 0, 0 and b is equals to 30, 0 and c is equals to 20, 30 and d is equals to 0, 50. Okay, for this 0, 0 is 0 and for the second point z is equals to 4 into 30 plus y 0, that is equals to 4 3 are 12, 120. Now for c is equals to the point c, so 4 into 20 plus y value 30, 80 plus 30 110, 80 plus 30 110. Now point D, z is equals to 4 into 0 plus 50, that is equals to 50. Okay, now the maximum value is 120 at the point, maximum value is 120 at the point 30, 0. Therefore z is maximum at the point 30, 0 is 120. Remaining problems we discussed in next class. Thank you.